Hello everyone, welcome to Sim Reviews, and we are back with another video. In this video we have here the Windows 10 build 10572, and as this build is new, you can only upgrade it from Windows Phone 8.1. You can't upgrade from your older Windows 10 build, as there's a bug which Microsoft is being fixing on. And this is quite new build, also with some new features. Basically most of those are some bug fixes or major improvements over the speed and the transitions and all different sorts of things. So first thing we notice in this build is some new settings. As you go in system, in earlier build there was a Z storage named option. Whenever you clicked it, whole settings app would be crashed, and now those Z storage has been named as storage again, and you get this new storage view. And you can also has extra setting where earlier you had just apps, downloads and pictures and different things. Now you can also configure your music and videos too. The next thing is the offline maps, which is a great feature in Windows Phone. And now you can even select where you want to store your offline maps, basically the SD card and your device. So if you have less storage on your internal memories, you can also select SD card storage to have it. And that's all, nothing much new here. And there's this start screen, show more tiles, where in the 5-inch screen it was a normal, used to come around four tiles, four column of tiles. Now you can actually select between those, either you want 3 or you want 4. As you can see here, we have 3 tiles, but when we click the toggle here, we actually get this 4 tiled screen. As you can see, a bit lazy layout here. You have to fix it on your own. It won't fix as you select those. So that's quite good option. And it has removed the option of, if you don't want any picture in the background, just the tile or the accent color, you don't have the option here. You just have the full picture or tiled picture. So that's one option removed here. And basically you get new features too. For example, the Cortana is now available in Indian language, and you don't need to use those tweaks and tricks for changing it. Maybe the language settings, region settings and all those, you can use Cortana on your own now as an Indian native Cortana for it. Rest all are the same all of those things. Now the next improvement is then the Microsoft Edge. You click the options button, you get this favorites, reading list, history and downloads at one point. Earlier you have to go to the hub and then toggle between those. You get all this right in front of you now, and that's a good change and a welcome change to the OS and its things. The camera is same as it was, nothing much new, but it now keeps on focusing until you click a picture. It still focuses. That's either a bug or it's a good feature. Maybe it keeps on focusing here and there. And now the Photos app has also got some new changes. For example, if you go on the photo, you can actually select it as your favorite photo, which later on will be saved in the albums or the favorite albums. It crashes a lot now. So you can see the favorites. You can actually create a favorite album by just pressing the heart icon below your photo. So it's quite good change and improvement in over the last few builds. Nothing much new, just the apps now open much faster and quite good. The WhatsApp app has some issues with it. So basically all other apps are opening and closing very in a fluid way, I say, not taking much time. The loading screen, which used to show some time after you unlock your phone, is now almost zero. I haven't encountered it yet, so can't say. In earlier build also there weren't those loading screens coming at the start, but after you use some time there was some loading screens, so maybe that would come later on. But as much as I'm using this build, this is a lot much improvement on the older builds. And as it's a 5-inch screen, you can see you have this four tiled task manager, or your opened apps which have been open in the background. You can actually swipe single of those apps, or just press the close icon to close all the apps. And that's the beauty of the Windows 10. It changes with the screen size and the device it is on. So basically not much things new, that's all in this build. The battery, the major issue in the earlier builds where the battery was fast not in charging but in draining. So it's now fixed. The battery is quite good in this build and is usable. You can actually last a day or more than that on charging your phone and using all of those, listening music, browsing internet and different things. So it's quite good. The battery is good, and all of those remain same as the earlier builds. The fluidity is improved, it's quite good. The animations are now well suited. As you can see, the store also opens fast, as in previous build it sometimes used to load fast, sometimes it would take time to load, and now it's quite good. Let's just end our video here. With this, I would like to say this build is much more fluid and usable. You can always use it as your daily driver. I installed the build and I haven't hard reset it yet. There's no need for this build, as I am not encountering any of the lags or issues with this phone. So no need to hard reset or master reset. If you want, you can do it. I don't know with other devices, but with Lumia 640 XL it's going good. So there's a big thumbs up for this, and you can go and install with this. Hope you like the video. Do hit that thumbs up button down below. Do share your queries or suggestions in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who have installed, or who are thinking to install this build. And don't forget to subscribe. This is Sim Reviews saying bye.